What I get in a week of PR. Part 2. We got Lottie London. Look at all of this. Some lenses from Coloured Contacts. I've got 6 pairs and a mini ring light. I can't wait to try these for Halloween. Some lashes and a bronzer from Miss Glam. And these are beauty brushes. I can't open their pinnacle brushes and new eye brushes. These brushes are so soft. I love them. We got something from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. We got eyeliner, eye primer, a lip gloss and mascara. And the new Rose Metals palette. Got some more skincare here from Skin Proud. I've never tried this brand. ANTIPODES Skincare, Avene Skincare, I hope that's how you pronounce it. Lano Lips Jelly Balm. It's a 10 hair products. I've never tried anything from Ciate, but we've got a body oil, a lip gloss, a lipstick, and a liquid eyeshadow. And that is it. Woo, we got through it all. I'm also doing a 1 million subscriber giveaway, so check my community post for rules on how to enter. Thanks for watching.